How to find Citibank account number and routing number. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can view your account number and your routing number on Citibank. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your device, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with, and on the search URL, type in Citibank. Then click on the first link that says www.citi.com. That will take you to the official web page of Citibank. Now to get started, first of all, you have to log in with your account. On your right hand side of this interface, there is a login prompt. So first of all, you have to enter your user ID. And on the next box, you have to enter your password. Make sure you enter your correct password and after that click on sign on. Once you sign on, then you will be taken to dashboard where you will be able to view your banking and credit card account. Then after that, click on banking account on the left side of that interface. After you do that, you will be able to see available balance on your card. Now, below account information, you will be able to see all your banking information such as your account number and your routing number. There, account number will be partially visible. So you can click on the eye icon next to that and then your account number will be visible. Your routing number will be public, so you can simply view your routing number on your interface. So that's how you can find your routing number and your account number on Citibank. That's all for today's video and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.